Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you my buttercream frosting recipe. In a small mixing bowl, combine a half a cup of unsalted butter and 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. The butter should be at room temperature. I left mine out for about an hour, but it wasn't long enough. So I placed it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Whisk the butter for about 5 minutes before adding the confectioner's sugar. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. As the mixture starts to thicken up, add 2 tablespoons of milk and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And there you have it, buttercream frosting.